Are you ready to take your muscle recovery to the next level? Well, we've got a game changer for you. Forget about expensive supplements or fancy gadgets today. We are diving into the astonishing benefits of a simple yet powerful secret weapon, cold showers. That's right, icy showers aren't just for the brave. They are a game changer for your muscles. Get ready to unleash the true potential of your body as we explore the incredible benefits of cold showers for muscle recovery like you have never imagined before. Introduction to cold showers. Before we get into the muscle-specific benefits, let's quickly understand what cold showers are. Cold showers involve exposing your body to water at a lower temperature than your usual warm or hot showers. Now, let's explore how this simple practice can have a profound impact on your muscles. Benefit number 1. Improved muscle recovery. One of the major benefits of cold showers is their ability to enhance muscle recovery. When you expose your muscles to cold water, it helps to reduce inflammation and swelling that may occur after intense exercise or physical activity. Cold showers also help to constrict blood vessels, reducing the buildup of lactic acid and preventing muscle soreness. Benefit number 2. Increased circulation. Taking cold showers stimulates blood circulation throughout your body, including your muscles. The cold water causes blood vessels to constrict, and when you finish the shower, they dilate rapidly, resulting in improved blood flow. This increased circulation helps to deliver vital nutrients and oxygen to your muscles, aiding in their repair and growth. Benefit number 3. Enhanced muscle toning. Cold showers can also contribute to muscle toning. When exposed to cold water, your muscles involuntarily contract, giving them a temporary workout. This repeated contraction and relaxation help to strengthen and tone your muscles over time, especially when combined with regular exercise. Benefit number 4. Improved mental well-being. Aside from the physical benefits, cold showers have a positive impact on your mental well-being. The shock of cold water triggers the release of endorphins, which are feel-good hormones. This can help reduce stress, boost your mood, and provide a sense of alertness and vitality, which can be especially beneficial before or after a workout. Now that we know about the benefits, let's discuss some tips for incorporating cold showers into your routine. Start by gradually decreasing the water temperature, allowing your body to acclimate. Begin with shorter durations and gradually increase the time spent under cold water. Remember to always listen to your body and adjust as needed. That's a wrap on the amazing benefits of cold showers for your muscles. Incorporating this practice into your routine can improve muscle recovery, increase circulation, enhance muscle tone, and even boost your mood. So, why not give it a try? Let us know in the comments below if you are already a fan of cold showers or if you are planning to give them a shot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay cool and see you next time.